Guess you never really cared because you said your parents never gave you hugs, and as a child you were never loved. You made me love so hard, but then you threw it away. You love to open.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑 𝙠𝙔𝙤𝙪. In this YouTube we do lifestyle and everything in between. Anything interesting happening in my life, I'll bring it to you. So today I want to start a vlog. I'm going to run some errand. It's in the afternoon na naenda kutengenezwa laptop, and then I was purchasing a laptop for my younger brother who is joining first year. I will pick it up, and I have a business meeting with my friend, or a business date that I'm going to take you with you to meeting her for that date. And then if time allows, I will go to little more. I see what I can purchase. So please enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed, watch this video. If this content is interesting, please hit that subscription button and notification bell so that you can come back for more. Thanks very much for stepping by. See you.
With my heart, just let me go. Please let me go.
73. Hii sasa iko aje? Mother, this is not napala ku make noise. So guys, I just got home very late jana and left everything on the seat because I was so tired. It's the following day, lakini my neighbor has been playing loud music. I make a speaker full on. Nimengoja amalize kusikiza music yake ni record, but it's like today she's detoxing with music, so I just decided to fungua or unbox this laptop. Hivi jana I managed to fix my laptop and buy my brother a laptop. So hii laptop yake, so here are the specs for this laptop: a Lightbook 830 G5 Core i5, 8th generation. It has 8 GB RAM, alafu SSD card yake ni 256 GB, alafu ni 13.3 inches. So guys, for the record, mimi singurua comps, like the guy that I was talking to who was fixing my laptop, I've known him for a long time. Since campus days, he has been fixing my laptops and my phones. So he is my plug. He is the one who helped me in buying this one. I trust him. At least yeye huu nifanyia kazi safi, au wengine wamenigonga gonga. So if you need a plug, mtu wa kukufixia laptop ama kukubuy a laptop, I would recommend him. You can come on my Instagram _𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑 for his contact. Yeah. And this is the overview of that laptop. I think it's nice. It serve because it just joined first year. If you need another one, he will buy with his own money. You are mad at me. Sasa.
Excuse me. Napata tomato sauce. Tomato sauce.
Ketchup.
You still want to check? So the boss ameenda wapi?
So we were catching up and I was just here busy trying to get a clear shot of everything that was happening. Katikati ya conversation, we just ordered na I decided to have Caribbean salad. Okay, me napendanga salad za Java. I don't know what you think. Drop your comment. I think they're just so fresh, they're refreshing, and they're right to the stomach, not too heavy. Like ukikula, you just get the right feeling. And then she had carrot cake also. Java carrot cake is just nice. Okay, I think I'm just biased. I love Java because it's the first place yenye nilienda nilipotoka mashinani nikija Nairobi. So I think I'm a bit biased on that, but you guys can leave a comment. Sorry if you have noticed nimejimwagia ketchup kwa, I think kwa blazer, but yeah, that is it. So we enjoyed and held the meeting. We are talking about a company that me and want to run. Yeah, I will update you on more on that. Dili kivana, vitu ziki go through zenye tuna follow up. Keep watching the video. Thanks if you have watched up to this point. So after the meeting, I decided to tembea around TRM because kuna mse alikuwa mission kwa one of the premiers that kuna little more huku TRM, but I don't think kuna yomi sikuwa na any, so nikapitia miniso. I wanted to get something cute. I wanted a notebook for my minutes, and I wanted to buy some storage spaces. Okay, hii store inakuanga tu na vitu nzuri za watoto. Kama you don't mind, unaweza pitia hapo uangalie watoto wako tu vitu, cause wanakuanga na tumali tuzuri, but I find them looking babyish. I don't know what your thought on that is. So this is what happens. Okay, why I shop most of the time, I prefer shopping on the stores. Nikiendanga kununua vitu kwa soko, hata Isili, Kamkunji, people get very good prices, but me najipatanga most of the time nimenunua kitu, nikifika kwa nyumba zinakuwa expensive, so I get so frustrated, as in nakuwa nimegongwa, and it's very frustrating. If you have a hack on that, please tell me how you bargain, or how do you behave so that usiuziwe vitu expensive. So mi prefer nikienda ninunue kitu supermarket ama on these shops, at least niko sure kila mtu amenunua hivyo, si mimi peke yangu nimenunua. Yeah, so that is it. So I just bought diffuser, nikanunua hii basket, unaona nimebeba na notebook from this shop. I didn't plan on buying a lot of things anyway, because anyway there were no many things to buy. Enjoy the video. Mnaweza ona kama there is something that catches your eye. Ni affordable. Kama hizi diffuser kuna za 300, kuna za 600. If kuna kitu inakubamba, you can go check it out, by the way. Thanks for watching. Kama hii content inakubamba, or my kind of content resonate with you, please comment, like, share, alafu subscribe. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. So guys, sikumbuki exact price, but this one was, the basket was 856 or 896. The notebook was 3 something, na imeandikwa you will always be my everything. And then the diffuser ilikuanga 316 if I'm not wrong, but nilitumia below 1500. It was for 3 items, it was okayish. So that's all for today's vlog. Please like this, comment, tell me what you think about my content, what I should shoot next. 1498, yeah, that's what I spent. And subscribe. Bye.